Bruxism is basically tooth grinding. A lot of patients suffer from bruxism. Many are actually even unaware that they grind their teeth. Dangers of bruxism include, there's quite a few actually. It includes wearing away your enamel, which can cause tooth sensitivity. You can break your teeth, you can break dental restorations, get sore jaws. Normally, a night guard will be the first thing that we recommend for a patient so that when you grind your teeth at night, you won't be grinding tooth to tooth. It'll also help to relax your jaw muscles so you're not able to clench as hard.